Marami raw nawala sa buhay ni Dayan lalo na nung panahon ng pandemya. Pero sa kabila nito, hindi raw naglaho ang presensya ng Diyos sa kanyang buhay. Samahan po natin si Dayan at ating mga ka-agripreneur sa pagbisita nila mula sa Holy Land.
During the pandemic, nawalan ako ng work that time and then nawalan din ng work si Dimson. Hindi namin alam kung paano namin nalagpasan yung pandemic na yun. Pero I can see and I can sense God in our lives.
Friends, when you're going through financial difficulty, when you don't know how to make ends meet, just remember that our God is the God who owns everything. We can cast all our burdens, all our worries, all our thoughts and cares to Him.
This is a manifestation that He really does hear people's cry, even those na hindi ina-utter ng mga tao sa Kanya.
Thank you, Mama. Naging strong ka sa pinagdaanan natin and we're still here na even our faith is still strong.
The purpose that God has given you will really manifest in your life for as long as you obey in Him. He will really bless you in His time. And thank you sa miracle na ito. Napakasaya lang namin that you have brought us to where you're born, sa lahat ng nilakaran mo. Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine na nandito kami ngayon sa Israel. Sobrang blessed and happy lang namin that you have called us here and not just to see this glory but to be of purpose in your land. So, ikaw talaga, God, ang number one sa puso namin.